Why is it common for people not to hire a DUI attorney the first time they are arrested? Attorney Aaron Bortel explains that. A lot of people have never been in trouble before. In fact, people who get DUIs very often have never even had a speeding ticket before. It is something that can happen to anybody. They have never been through the criminal justice system. However, a DUI is considered a crime. It is a misdemeanor. It could be a felony if there is a serious injury, or if you have 4 within 10 years. You should always get a lawyer on a DUI case. It is a lot more than just, can you get out of this? Are you guilty or innocent? That is not always the only thing to determine. In fact, if you get a good DUI lawyer who is very experienced, they will be able to tell you a lot of things and help you in a lot of areas. The main area you are usually looking for help is with the complex legal system. You need help to determine what your chances are of winning a case, getting it dismissed, winning at DMV so your license does not get suspended, getting charges reduced, or whether or not you should go to trial. Sometimes on a DUI case, it is best to go to trial because of the consequences if you lose. If you plead guilty, you have no chance of winning a case. So sometimes a case needs to go to jury trial for a number of different reasons. I have clients who are at risk of losing their job, or definitely will lose their job if they are convicted of a DUI, or sometimes even a lesser charge such as a wet reckless. For some cases, even a dry reckless that does not involve alcohol will result in a job loss. I represent people who drive for a living, who have company cars, who are on company insurance, who drive buses, who work for the city driving recycling trucks and garbage trucks. Then there are cab drivers who will lose their medallions if they get a DUI. So there are so many different people. There are corporate executives who rent cars when they go on business trips and when their clients come in. Then you have all sorts of other people who drive 18-wheelers. You have pilots and you have boat captains too. There are so many types of people who can lose their job if they get convicted. They may need to go to trial no matter what the odds are to try and win and save their job. For a free case evaluation, contact attorney Aaron Bortel in San Francisco, California at 415-523-7878 or visit www.bortelduidefense.com.